everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we are going to be playing with a set. Set number 60157 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2017. So without further ado, let's get started. So where should we start off today? Let's make this tree. There's this tree over here. And get this guy, scientist, his magnifying glass. Ooh, nice jungle places. Oh, a tree frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, what's this? What's this? Ooh, gold! I found gold. Gold that's running everywhere. Hang on, just gold. Right, I'd better call my team. I found the gold in a tree. Over and out. Hey, Claire, that man just said that there's gold in a tree. Well, why don't we go and get it? Let's go and get the boat. Come on. Here we go. Boat. You sit over here at the back. You sit in here like that. Let's go adventuring. Do you know where we need to go? No, I don't know where we need to go. Nobody gave us any instructions on where to go. Oh, well, I suppose we'll just have to be lucky again. Let's go this way. Phew, we made it away from that crocodile. What else could happen today? Whoa! Honestly, when are they gonna come and pick up this? When are they gonna come and pick up this gold? Whoa! What are you guys doing? Well, we just bumped into this tree and we've come to pick up some gold. Oh, goody. Let me just switch back to my happy face. Oh, I'm so happy. Now, I've got some gold coins over here, over here. Just put them down. Let's put them in the box over here for safekeeping. Can I have a lift home? Yeah, sure. Hop in. Yeah. Hop in like this. Oh, hang on a second. Let me just take a picture of all of the frog for my scrapbook. There we go. Now let's go. But that's the end of our video. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you. And until next time, happy playing.